Beneath the icy surface of the Arctic Ocean, a hidden marvel stirs curiosity. The translucent tiger jellyfish, a creature clad in sheer elegance. Despite its spectral appearance, this jellyfish remains a puzzle, suddenly vanishing from known habitats only to reappear in unexpected regions. Scientists, baffled by these enigmatic migrations, are driven to question the ocean currents quietly orchestrating their dance across the cold depths. Its luminous tentacles capture more than prey. They ensnare the imagination of researchers striving to understand its cryptic life cycle. As this jellyfish continues its icy waltz, it leaves behind traces of mystery that beckon marine biologists to unravel the hidden veils of the ocean.